Emile Munier was born June 2, 1840, Paris, France, died June 29, 1895. He is French painter. Originally planning to become an upholsterer like his father, Emile Munier began his career at the Paris tapestry factory Les Gobelins. In the early 1860s he started training with his father-in-law Abel Lucas to become a painter, and in 1871 he abandoned his upholstery career to paint. In 1872 he studied under the tutelage of William Bouguereau, and exhibited his works at the Paris Salon from 1869 until close to his death in 1895. By the late 1870s Munier became well known for his signature subject matter depicting cupids and young children inspired by his own son and daughter, sitters in many of his works. In 1873 he met the American art agent George A. Lucas, who introduced his work to America, making him popular to wealthy clients both in Paris and abroad. Able to execute the human form and convey emotion effectively, Munier's work appealed to the increasingly influential middle class as well, who appreciated the cheerful and innocent nature of his paintings. This is particularly reflected in the works which were later used for advertising Pears Soap. Munier received an honorable mention from the Salon in 1882 and was a member of the Society of French Artists.